Good morning, everyone. Myself, I am the principal of this Elite College of Engineering, Dr. Sudeep Basa, and let me introduce about our college and the technical education scenario in our country, our state, and in our city. So, last few decades, there has been a significant growth in higher education sector in India, and more specifically, the growth has been initiated in the technical education scenario, that is, in the education to train the students in engineering and technology. So, and also, there have been a significant privatization of educations, especially in the field of engineering and technology. Correct? So, our college, that is Elite College of Engineering, have been dedicated to impart technical education to the young people of our state and of our city of Kolkata significantly. So we offer Bachelor of Technology courses in various engineering disciplines, and our college has been affiliated, that means these bachelor courses have been affiliated to the renowned Maulana Abdul Kalam University of Technology in Kolkata. So the streams that we offer in our courses are computer science and engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and civil engineering. So, these are the 4 branches of engineering which have been offered to the students in their 4 years degree curriculum. So, we take admission for 4 years course from West Bengal Joint Entrance Examinations as well as lateral entry examinations from the students who have passed diploma in these branches of engineering as per eligibility criteria. These courses are not only affiliated to the Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology, but also have been recognized by the All India Council for Technical Education, that is AICTE. So, we have well-developed laboratories with modern equipment so that the students can learn the advanced knowledge in their fields of study, and also we have a well-developed library where the students can borrow and read the books in their curriculum. Our faculty members, headed by the head of the departments, are highly educated and motivated to impart education in their learning fields significantly. All our head of the departments are highly educated with significant experience and knowledge with PhD degrees. And also, all our faculty members are highly educated and they are specially trained to impart advanced knowledge in the engineering curriculum. We provide regular training of the teachers for various faculty development programs, and also we provide the students in various industrial trainings by our well-established training and placement cell. So we provide trainings to the students in reputed and relevant training sectors, industrial sectors, so that they can have knowledge, up-to-date knowledge in their relevant fields of study. Also, we have a very good placement record, and this year also, every year, including this year, we have placed our students in reputed industries all over India. So, I welcome you all to take admission in our college. And last but not the least, we kept our admission fees as low as possible so that there shall be no financial burden to the students and to their supporting families. We have a wonderful campus with greeneries where the students can enjoy their learning as well as development of their other skills. We also arrange various skill development programs, for example, recitation, debates, extempo, etc., so that the overall growth of the students can be imparted. So we all welcome the students and their parents to visit our college. Thank you very much.